All right, your time now stands at 8:24 with Skhumba in the studio. And Coley Roberts is on Twitter. Are you trying to forward this message to Skhumba? Let me just do it like that and give it to him to look at. Someone has copied...
What
happened?
No, this is a thing. Anginandaba laba uzoyithatha kanjani lento vele. Uthi lo baba. Sibeka ma Easter. Umbhoro ngene esontweni ke. Umbhoro bathathandaze bese athawuni bavala amehlo, babavula amehlo akasekho.
Shananas.
Umbhoro akasekho, umbhoro uthi athi lo ntolikayo, bazalwane kuvele ifula.
Hawu
la thatha umbhoro uyezulwini. Umamelani ngiyangixoxela.
Ifu ke angel.
Ifu is the cloud. Ukhuphuka njengo Jesu kahle kahle. Ha, ulandwe ifu. Wakhuphuka njengoba nithandaza nina. Ni karabashasha pora lamaporo mpore. Yeah. Wanyamala umporo. Isonto ke lathuka ukuthi hey. Nangu umuntu anyamala namavaselina wethu. Unyamalele ke umporo namavaselina. Senze ngqala kwamavaselini athi lo baba lona kuzoba umporo asazi yobuya nini or after 3 days or after 11 days. Kanumporo akekho vele. Bathi njengoba ke athathwa yifu uhambe nefoni yakhe. Phone baphethe ifone. Like bakazolanda ingelosi bekaphethe ifone yakhe S5. Wathatha selfie. I'm telling you what happened. Wathatha selfie umbhoro wathi khaxa. Aya ezulwini. Wafika ezulwini. Hlale ngelos. According to lo baba lo la esontweni ukuthi umbhoro usezulwini manje uya Twitter. Mara kuna network ke. Esontweni abantu bayakhala basilahlela phansi. Karabashia makaramaria. Bayawa abantu abanye baphuma inyoka namajuba ngithi badla yonke into. Ntambama ke umbhoro abonakala lokushini. Bambone kabanye bathi hawu. Wena ngoba uthathe ingelosi athi hey ceda kubuya manje. Njoba ningibona manje ngiceda kufika. Manje ngithuka wena Brabob. Abantu abafuna ukubona le selfie yaka baba umporo bacela ukuthi ba donate imali engange 5,000. I'm serious. I am not this thing okay ngizoyifuna ngiyithola bathi iselfie yakhe batibeka kanje bathi ingelosi uGabriela bela emva kwakhe ingelosi Gabriela yaza kuye yathi yethi bathi umporo ufike ezulwini uthola abantu bambashile bathi Vaseline Iphethe Vaseline. Bathi bayacela laba bambashile lapha bathi sicela ugcobisa 5 rand. Bora kadlali. Deposita kule account number. Ayi Vaseline. Umbhoro uphethe isithapha ezulwini. Bathi ubuye ntambama bathi uhambe ngabo ma 11. Kora pas form poro bekabuyile bathi hayi ezulwini kuseduzana mos nespread kusedate bathi ingelosi besihamba nombhoro la lale abantu babavala amehlo umbhoro kufika ingelosi athi hey bathi sizokulanda mina karabashia khona harranarabeja Crasha shikabasha yangibazi bathini babathana crasha bashira ba crash le crash kumporo le country umporo une selfie no ngelosu Gabriel and bathi ayibonakala kahle ngoba ipipe wave ngithi nesudu cabanga wena Bob bafika abantu abayithuma nje bathi hamba nawe sezulwini yo baba mina ngathi ngibe gigini izolo ngidli chakalaka nizohamba nami haya izolo bengisesa khomzi mina ngilapha haya umporo bathi uthathe ingelosu Gabriela ubuyile ngabo 4 now umtshayeli umchaza ngani ukhumutso une access internet uyitholile le selfie yakamporo.
Let's turn that around a little bit and we'll try and tweet it as well.
Yeah, okay, I want to read. I thought Skhumba was talking because he is that guy. Idris Pastor Mboro, give me 5,000 rand and I will show you the pics I took in heaven.
No, come on.
I promise you, it's here.
uzuzelana uzokhuluma ngabantu kabi kusho bani athini nikombela 5,000 selfie nengilosi Gabriel.
Pastor Mboro must fall. For real. We can't. We really can't.
When we thought snakes were enough, petrol wasn't. Wow. Wow.
So he's charging people to see his selfie in heaven.
I am blown out. You know, I
Probably there's a 14-year-old somewhere who photoshopped because he probably doesn't know anything about
I saw the
photoshopping.
pic mina kunomuntu ngizosithola lesithomo ungawari wena asezolini asizongicela usifune mara ingilosi Gabriel.